A recording has been started, right, Somesh? Just wanted to confirm.
Yes, yes, yeah. I think we can get started.
Okay, so I think first let's take the doubts, Somesh, right? We have the last participant today, and then we can give a walkthrough, maybe 5-10 minutes walkthrough of the LMS. Right.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So I do see Shubham, Anurag, Vasant, and Mayank. Let's start. Hello, welcome all. Happy Sunday, and thank you for joining today's live session. I hope your learning is going good. So we'll start one by one with the clearing session, and anyone can pitch at any point of time. Anyone can unmute at any point of time. It's an open forum related to doubt clearing session. It's very important to clear all your doubts, and in the end, we will also give you the walkthrough of the new learning platform we have and its capabilities. So I will start with Shubham. Shubham, over to you. How's your learning going? Please brief about your learning, and we can also monitor your progress from the backend too. But in the new learning platform, I assume that you have not done much. But in the old learning platform, you would have done much, which we will decommission soon. But yeah, you can update us on your learning, and you can go ahead with your doubts.
You're not audible, Shubham. Shubham, not Shubham. Shubham, you are speaking.
Yeah, Shubham, we cannot hear you. Maybe you can try joining back, Shubham, because we cannot hear you. You can also type in the chat, Somesh, that we cannot hear Shubham. Meanwhile, we'll
Hmm.
proceed. So I do see Anurag. Hello, Anurag. We just spoke few days back. I hope your learning is going good. And let us know if you have any doubt or if you want us to like cover any topic or something like that, right? Over to you, Anurag.
Yeah, hi Shivam, hi Sumesh.
No.
So, from my side, currently I'm in the Python module. In the second one, decision and looping control is there, right? So in that only, I guess I'm in this if and else if basically if that chapter I completed, and I have to move into I guess the last part if else that chapter and my learning is going good uh, but they I mean if you remember Shivam, like we had conversation regarding that Hadoop practical thing, right? I was not able to uh, I was facing some issue with the that modules and something, right? So
Yeah,
the
Anurag, I
thing is
remember. Yes. Mm.
yeah, so basically the thing is that I just came outside I mean to different place, and I do not carry my laptop currently, but would it be okay if I can we can connect next time or something during weekend, and then
Yeah,
that
perfectly,
time.
perfectly fine. Yes, Anurag. Anytime we can connect, right? And now, so in the new learning platform, you do have a chat session as well. You do have a doubt clearing session as well, where you can just post your doubts or something like that, right? So this new
Mm.
learning platform would be a new, altogether a community for Big Data Yatra, and anyone can post their doubts, chat live or something like that, right? So now we will not even need WhatsApp group to ask doubts. You can directly ask on the LMS and it will be resolved then and there. But yes, having said that, we can connect at any point of time, Anurag. Whenever you have your laptop, we can look into it via screen share. And I hope rest all learning is good and you are enjoying the Python lectures.
Yes, Shivam, I'm just going through the lectures and preparing notes parallelly as well. I
Perfect.
wanted to cover one more thing. I was I mean, I was looking into the assignment part, and there was one question which was added, and I kind of found it, it was very good question. The question was
Mm.
regarding the eval function, which we are using. As you mentioned, that eval function is capable of detecting the data type first thing, and
Mm.
what and all like you are entering in the print statement, so that also it will identify and it will give in the form of output. But the thing is like why we are not preferring practically eval function, and we are basically using casting a type, sorry, cast kind of function, int or string, or like int input, like that we are basically using. So there was one question like why we are not preferring eval function, which can automatically detect the data type while passing the user input, but instead of that we are just kind of passing the cast kind of function. So that was a good question. So I was just looking into it, and then kind of I found like it was because of some security. Uh, Security was one factor, because like if you typed Python command of OS, let's say like uh, uh, I just passed the command of OS where I'm just kind of like uh, messing up with the OS, and eval function will go ahead and will directly execute that function, right? Python command for the OS. Uh, but that will not be the case if we will be using explicitly any int or string or float kind of function. So that was one
That's
reason, and
correct.
another was of the performance also. So, I mean, that question was really good. It was not covered in the lesson part, but it was present in the assignment. So I was just looking for its answer in the net, but I found the question really good.
Yeah, Anurag. It's a good question, and as you correctly mentioned, eval is not to detect the data type, basically, or not to typecast anything, right? It is used to execute the Python expression, and there are the security issues and something like that. So that's why we use the int string or something like that. But it's good that you are covering assignments too. You are solving it too. So it's really good because there are tons of topics, right? And every topic we cannot cover in the class. So that's why we have a dedicated notes and assignment where you will get all these things. So lovely, Anurag. Anything else, Anurag? Shall we?
Nothing from my. I think I already took too much time.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anurag. Now I do see Vasant. Hello, Vasant. Good morning.
Uh, Hi Shivam. Hi Shivam. It's very good morning. Good morning all. Uh, Shivam, I don't have much this time. Actually, not much. Like last 1 week, we are with some production issues, so I didn't much
Okay.
focus on this learning part actually. So I'll come with next time.
No
So
worries.
what are you learning
Just
currently, Vasant? Which
Sorry,
module are
Sumesh.
you going through currently?
Actually, like last time I completed a Python. Okay, sorry,
Hmm.
Hadoop. So now starting with the Python. Python actually I have the basic idea of that things like flow controls and while loop, for loop and all. So I wanna focus on it like little more depth
Hmm.
knowledge, like advanced Python. The basic Python I have the knowledge, and even I have some hands-on experience on that basic knowledge. So I wanna focus like. Functions and more like methods. I want to focus on this part.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Next, I think we can go with Mayank.
and Vasant, I hope you have logged into the new LMS.
Yes, Shivam. I have
Okay,
logged in.
perfect,
It's working fine.
perfect.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yes, man. Over
Yeah,
to
hi,
you.
hi, hi, Shivam, hi, Suresh. Yeah, Shivam, not like much update. I just started just going through the LMS and just started to go through Python module only. So once I'll progress, then I'll like connect with you for the doubts. But just started due to some office much work is there. That's why didn't get much time to practice.
No worries, Mank. Like next time
Surely
you can
I'll
ask,
start.
and
Yeah.
all, as I always say, like don't wait for the live doubt clearing session to clear your doubts.
Sure.
You have LMS, you have WhatsApp group, you can ask anywhere, right? And you have my and Sumesh contact over, right? You can reach out to me.
Sure. Sure.
Thank you, Mank.
Thank you so much.
I do see. I do see Vishal. You couldn't join Vishal because last time because you were traveling. But I hope you
Yeah,
have gone through the recording of the last session.
yeah, Shivam. Hi, good morning. Hi, Somesh. Last time I have not attended due to traveling. I'm audible to? I'm audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I have completed till SQL, but recently in this week I started. I have not touched the Spark because I just want a confidence in SQL, because previously I also given the data engineer interview where I have not able to crack Python and SQL round, and some basic questions also I have not able to attend. So right now just started practicing some SQL questions and getting the confidence, but I see like I am not able to get some confidence, Somesh and Shivam, like it's I if some questions related to
Mhm.
group by having window function is there, SQL queries, like some queries I'm not able to handle, which is very easy, but still I am lot confused, or is it like I am not able to understand or what? I don't know.
No, that's fine. See, that is how people start. So you can anyway. We will also uploading some important interview questions. We already have it. I will maybe upload it today itself. Apart from that, see, keep practicing. You can use any of the coding websites, Lead Code, Hacker, anything. The important
Mhm.
ones we will be uploading, but small ones, as you mentioned, right? You are facing issues even in small ones. From their website, even Namaste SQL is there, some Data Lumer is there. Those are a little bit higher,
Mhm.
now higher difficulty. I'll also bring you some simple one. So there you can, there they will give you questions. You will have to solve them there itself. So start with
Okay.
simple ones, and this is absolutely fine. See, even when I've seen many people like this is even true for Python. So you will
Okay.
first have to know how things are solved. Then you will apply it when you are solving any new question. But yeah,
Okay. But
but
yeah.
understand the basic concept like how group by works, how having works. That you should be first clear when the window functions, everything.
But so much my
Mm-hmm.
fear is on, like when the interviewer asks, like you have to count these like I have to find this one. But at the time I was very like, it's not about the interview, also when I start practicing from SQL questions and I will get from the website also, like tables and data.
Mm-hmm.
Then in that question also, like so lot confused. Should I use the group by? Should I use having? I use everything, still the output will not come. Like too much confusion. Like I'm not able to understand the question. Like how to understand the question first? Is there any best approach?
No, see, for Python, if you talk, there will be all those time complexity and all those things. But when it comes to SQL, right? So there are not
Yeah.
much time complexity, or all those things are not there. Only thing is your logic, what you apply, right? You should be, whenever a question comes in the mind, the code should automatic flow. Okay, I will select this table. I'll do a count star, and if I am having any non-aggregated column, I'll put it in the group by. Then if I want to filter the non-aggregated column, I'll do the having aggregated column. I'll do the having. So like this, you should be, having the plan in your head.
Okay.
So like that.
And Vishal, like I would like to add here. So whatever comes to your mind, right? Say suppose you read one question, and now in your
Mhm.
mind you have group by flowing, you have join, right? Whatever approach is coming to your mind, I would suggest you to start writing, start
Yeah.
solving.
Okay.
Okay,
Make
start
mistakes.
solving.
Yeah.
Say suppose make mistakes. Say suppose you read one SQL question, right? Now your mind says
Okay.
this can be solved by group by. Okay, then write that query. Write that query. Don't try to find the optimized solution in one go. Write the query, run it, see the output. You will yourself see if group by is the solution, then why group by worked. If group by is not the solution, then looking at the output, you will see, okay, I am getting this output. So definitely group by is not the solution. So I will have to take different route. Join. If join is not there, then window function, or in window function also, which is their row number, rank, dense rank, etc. right? So don't try
Right.
to find the solution beforehand. Just start writing the SQL query, solving it,
Okay.
see the output, what
Yeah.
every query is generating. Whatever is coming to your mind, just write it. If you will do it for 50 odd questions, right? Trust me, you will be very, very confident. And as Somesh said,
Okay.
Somesh will be uploading all the important questions. And I will also upload one important SQL sheet. Python, I guess I have already uploaded. So start practicing that. Right. And for basic, you can definitely refer to our assignments or something like that. Right. So just
Okay.
start solving, Vishal.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, and for this thing, right? So whenever you see the question, always understand the question and the output, what they're trying to achieve. Because small things will be there in the question, this thing as well. They'll tell that, okay, after printing the result should be in this order, the decimal should be in this format. Those are also very, very important because many students miss that. And
Okay. Okay, so much.
be well
Yeah.
versed with CT because if it is a very lengthy query, right? CTA and
Mm-hmm.
subqueries are very, very important. And how to do
Okay.
aggregation, aggregation, all those things you should be very, very much aware.
Okay, so
You
much.
start, you start the solving. If you have any doubts, right, just ping me or Shivam or in the group. You can post it in the here is where I'm st getting stuck. How should I proceed? We will only give you hints. We will not give you the complete solution. And whenever you are also stuck, right, try to check hints for any question. Don't check the complete solution or complete answer. Check the hint. Okay, this is the next hint. So likewise, you will grow little by little.
Okay, so much. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
start
Vishal,
solving.
like
Give
just a request. So any question you are solving, correct? Say suppose today you solved 3 to 4 SQL questions, right? So we have
Okay.
now 40 odd members in the group. So just post in the group so that today I solved
I
this question and this. So others will also get motivated, right?
I think
And
I solved 40 plus. I will share that with the tables and the data
yeah,
then.
yeah, Vishal, definitely you should share knowledge with the peers, right? Because someone will get placed in any XYZ company. So then they can help you to get referred or you can help them in getting referred. And right, that's why how the collaboration works.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, sure, sure. I will share all the SQL question which I
Yeah.
practice and I will share with the
Yeah.
teams in
And
in
if
our
say
community.
suppose yeah, and say suppose in future Mayank or Anurag or Vasant or Shubham, anyone thinks that I have doubt in the school career, so you can take a lead and you can help them, right? And it is
So
open for everyone, right? So that's how we
yeah,
grow.
yeah, sure. Yeah,
Anything else, Vishal?
nothing. Any word regarding this AI and all, like how in the 2021 it will affect our data engineering like that, like AI agents will create
2026. Correct.
don't worry about that right now. So it is affecting other domains a lot, but for us, you can at least to be free at least for next 5 to 6 years. I mean, again, it will not
then
affect that
it's
much, but
Nah.
yeah, things will change. So what
yeah,
tools you are using, those will change, but data engineer will be there.
will be remain.
And yeah, and just to add one thing here, right? A very good question. So I was reading one blog, right? So there are many job descriptions saying AI data engineer, AI engineer, or something like that. And trust me, in the interview rounds, they are not asking about you AI, right? That what is RAG, what is lang chain, lang graph, etc, etc, etc. Every interview will focus on foundation of data engineering, which is Python, SQL, Spark and cloud. In cloud, if you know about any cloud platform, then Databricks cloud platform, right? So foundation is the only thing you need to focus on to clear interview. Python, SQL, Spark. If you master these three, then project and then cloud platform. That's the only thing you need to become a data engineer 2026, and rest everything will fall in place.
And in most companies
Okay,
nowadays, they are giving you AI as well to work with. So that is what their expectation is.
Yeah.
In shorter timeline, you should do more work, but using AI. So that is the only thing that is happening right now. Apart from that, there is no impact on jobs that much. But yeah, down the line, 5, 6 years, maybe slightly, but currently nothing for data engineers, at least, because data is growing on. Other things like website development and all those things, that is done by small teams now because of AI. Yeah. Any other
Okay,
question,
so
Vishal?
yeah, nothing so much. So
And you are able to access the LMS and everything, right?
yeah, new LMS, yeah, just logged
Mm-hmm.
in.
Okay, okay.
Perfect. Thanks, Vishal. So over to you, Shubham. I guess now
Yeah.
you have
Am I
joined.
audible?
Yeah, we can hear you, Shubham. Yep.
Yeah. So currently, like I am going through the Python module. It's about to complete. Like I'm on types of method in OOPS chapter,
Hmm. Hmm.
and yeah, I do not have much, but yeah, uh, regarding the confidence thing only. Okay, so like I have the confidence in SQL. Like I will add the point for Vishal here. So in the earlier stage, like I was also facing the same issues like you. Like I am not able to think like how to solve the queries and all those things. So yeah, but after that practicing the things, like now I'm confident enough in SQL. But regarding the Python, I'm not able to think like what the things like we are going to use, like how we are going to use a Python in future.
Data engineer, right?
Yeah, in the data engineering. Shivam, can you please add like what until like how much we should give in Python? Like basically like most of my friends have switched, but they never like say raise a point regarding the Python actually. So
Hmm. No, Shubham, as per my experience of
mhm,
giving interviews and taking interviews, Python are one of the most important rounds for data engineers, right? Which you cannot neglect. SQL will be there, but Python is also as important as SQL. And what to do, how much to do is all there in my course. Just do my course. You don't have to do anything else, but you just have to practice after completing the Python and DSA from BigDataYatra. You just have to practice. And how much to practice, which question to practice, that also I will, or I have already added. Shubham, in the I will see if it is there in the new LMS. I will add it after this call. But all the questions, all the lead code questions and the problems I have added in the right order with the explanation. So yes, Shubham, Python is important. See, in DSA, I will be very honest. No one is going to ask you tree, graph, algorithm. No, for data engineering, no, complete no. So what you should know in Python, then you should be knowing about object-oriented programming concepts, which you are already covering. You should be knowing function, recursion, and backtracking, which you would have already covered. Then you should be knowing about searching, sorting, and then these are some important things. And then you, from the DSA standpoint, you should be knowing about list, which is array. Then your dictionary, because data engineers they do use dictionary a lot in their day to day or in every other ETL pipelines they make. So
Mm-hmm.
list dictionary is there, then linked list is there, and then some basic knowledge of stack queue. That's it. This should be enough to crack any company from the Python standpoint.
Yeah, from interview perspective, you should be knowing all these concepts. That is there because
Yes.
they check everything. They check your basic knowledge, oops knowledge. Even they will ask you. Even for me, they have asked many times. Even in service-based companies nowadays, they are asking DSA questions, right? So the reason they're asking is that companies don't know where the AI world is heading, right? So that's why they need folks who have complete knowledge of Python, even though right now Python, whatever we use, is is up to a certain extent. But I've worked in many projects where the Python code is so advanced. It is used in so advanced. You will not be able to understand unless you know all the concepts like decorator and all those things. So that's why suddenly you cannot learn those, right? So
mhm.
keep learning, and um, you have to understand how hoops concept works. how a framework is written. So that's why we have kept that. Not just for interview. Again, it will be used for you.
Okay. One thing more like I was going through the functions, like so we have the lambda function, filter, map, right? But I can see like only lambda was covered. So is it enough to like or
The filter and map is also covered, Shubham. When we start with the Spark transformation, so there we have covered
okay, okay.
map and filter and everything. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So we have covered it. Yeah.
And last, like when we are going to get the cloud things like recordings.
It will be start rolling out. Like when can we plan, Somesh? By 20th, 25th August, we will start rolling out the
Mhm.
videos.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, so by 20th August, you can expect, Shubham. The cloud, Azure, Databricks, Data Factory will be start rolling, or even before than that, right? So you will get all the updates in the LMS. So at the bottom right, we have a bot which will give you all the updates, which videos are
Mhm.
updated, which videos are re-uploaded, right? So
You will
yesterday, I
get the
guess, Somesh,
notification as well. Yeah, you will get
you
the
will get a
notification.
notification if
Yeah,
you
if
are
you have
using
the app.
Android app.
Yeah, if you have
Android.
the app, we'll get the notification directly. Otherwise, when you log in, right, you will get a notification at the bottom.
Yeah. One thing
Yeah.
more, like so, like I heard regarding the CI/CD pipelines and star schema, data warehousing. So are these covered? Sorry, I haven't gone through all the modules.
These are covered. These are covered,
Okay.
Shubham,
Okay.
in the
Okay.
upcoming lectures. But we can have a dedicated session as well in the future where we will cover the advanced concept of data modeling, data warehousing, data quality, and no SQL database. So these four lectures we are planning. Either we will take the live class or we will roll out the videos soon.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Thanks, Arvind. That's it from my side.
Thank you, Shubham. Happy learning. And I guess Devashish also joined. Hello, Devashish. Uh, you are the last one because everyone has done. So we will now give the LMS walkthrough. But before that, if you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask.
Yeah, hi, Shiv.
Uh,
My learning is going on, so till now I don't have any doubt.
Perfect, Devashish. So, okay. So as we all are done with the doubt session. So let me just share my screen and give a walkthrough of the new LMS. Okay. Which you all have. So what capabilities you can have. So if I do the sign in, do you all see my screen? Right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, we can see.
Yeah. So the
Yeah,
portal is learn.bigdatayatra.com. This is the portal. If I go to this portal, we will get like this. Right. And we are also revamping this. We are also enhancing this from the UI perspective. But for now, what you guys have to do, you guys just have to do the sign in and you guys just have to choose the Google to sign in. Right. So if I choose just a second. Continue with Google and I will choose my email ID. And that's how you can also do. So once signed in, right, you will come to this course, right? So you can just start basically doing this. And for everyone who has completed this, I would request you to go and watch it again, not fully. You can just skip like towards the end so that it can be monitored in the backend. Okay. So, and then what else you can do is you can go to this profile and setting. You can just monitor your progress here as well. So my progress is there. You can monitor your progress and then you can just simply in the my doubts, you can paste, add the subject, you can add the description, you can attach photo or any screenshot or something like that, and you can click on post. Simply, you can ask your doubts like this. Or if you don't want attachment, you have this bottom right? You can simply paste like this. Hello, I have doubt, right? And it will come to us and we will be happy to resolve. And this is for the chatting purpose, correct? For any updates, you will get all the updates. Like if any video addition is there, if we added something, or if we have scheduled any live class or something like that, you will get here. And there is a my calendar also. In my calendar, you will get all the schedule. For example, say suppose if I have scheduled a live class for example, 15th August. So you guys will get an update as well, notification as well, and also you guys can keep on checking your calendar. So on 15th August, you will see our live class being scheduled and something like that, right? Now going forward, we will not be using Teams anymore. We will be using our own platform, which is a Super Meet. So its link and everything you will get in the calendar here as well. So for example, say suppose if today is a live class, so you can just click here, join now, and you will be able to join directly from the LMS. No need to communicate anything on the WhatsApp group or something like that, right? And someone from anyone of you all only told us to make this section so that you can monitor your progress. So you guys can monitor your progress, and any certifications once generated will be posted here, right? Say suppose you completed one chapter, to second chapter, third chapter, or you completed the entire course, then all the certificates will come here. So these are some of the capabilities, and if you want to be up to date, or if you want to see the payment and invoice which you have made, you can see. And going forward, if we will add any live batch, because going forward, what in which direction Big Data Yatra is moving is, we just don't want to limit ourselves to this recorded and lived out play. We are shifting towards a personalized day by day calendar, where every student will know what to study today, how much to study, which coding exercise to practice, which project to build, etc., etc., etc. So you will see batch by batch course as well, which we will start taking from the month of September. So that will be a live classes as well. That will be recorded as well. That will be mix of everything, a personalized day by day program, right? So this is about the LMS, and we will also schedule once you complete certain point. Once you complete up to the certain point, we will schedule some mock test as well, which you will be able to see in the mock test section. Currently, we don't have any, but you will see it. If any live classes is scheduled, you will see in the live classes tab in the all courses, you will see it. And then I think this is it pretty much. And if you want to mail us, this is our email ID. And all these are the capabilities, and see our new website now. I just want to show you. And on the backend, I see how it looks like. If any student raises anything, we get something like this. And in the backend, we are also able to track everything. So this is the admin panel, but I will not show here. But you guys see our new website, which we are going to launch today. This is our new website. And here we will have one video. And this is the new website. You can see all the testimonials. All these are students. Deepika Rashi recently got placed in Accenture. Kushi Gupta as a fresher got a package of 15 LPA. Himanshu Bist, he got 20 LPA package after 120% hike in Excel, and Abhi at Accenture or something like that. The written testimonials. So this is our new website. You guys can explore, and this is our new LMS. So we are also working towards making your experience better as a student. So I think this is it. Somesh, if you would like to add anything.
Yeah, I think that's it. So LMS is new for a lot many features. So we ourselves, haven't explored everything. So we will be using all the mock test, live calendar, everything we'll be using. So keep an eye on that. So slowly you will not see any major updates on WhatsApp. So very slowly we'll be migrating everything to the LMS itself, because once the crowd becomes huge, right, it will be hard for us to manage as well. So any urgent request, you can still use WhatsApp for now. Later on, we'll be moving everything to the LMS itself.
Yeah, on the LMS itself, we will be moving everything. We will be giving all the updates, all the live classes updates. You guys will get on the calendar and the notification and everything. And if you guys are using Android Android mobile, then you guys can install our application as well, where you will get all the notification. For iOS, we don't have yet, but we are planning iOS app as well in upcoming months. So this is a plan. So as I still remember, January 2026 we started, and it's been 8 months. And in 8 months, Like we have trained more than 100 plus professionals, including all of you, and we are also growing. Now our goal is to uh, go beyond this, right? So that's why we are also doing many things at our end. We are also trying to enrich our modules, enrich our live classes, get and the ultimate goal is to help all of you getting placed. This is our ultimate goal, and for that only we are doing all of it, so that your experience gets better, your doubt is resolved then and there, and you guys can schedule mock interview with us after completing certificate. So all these capabilities you will guys will be getting, and we will be rolling out in our new LMS with, of course, no extra payment. Any new student will come to us for live classes, and that is a separate discussion like that we have. No, but for you guys, there is nothing. You guys just have to stay consistent, confident, and you guys just have to ask your doubts, post your doubts. If you need any kind of help related to placement, related to resume building, mock interviews, if you guys have any interview schedule, or if you guys are not getting any calls from Naukri or something like that, we would be happy to help. We would be happy to suggest you as per best of our experience, and that's our ultimate goal, to help you get into this. I think that's it. Anyone would like to add anything? Okay. If no, then thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. Yeah, Vishal has it. Okay, Vishal. Yeah.
Nothing, Shivam, just crossed it. By mistake it done.
Okay, okay, okay. I saw Vasant, you unmuted yourself. Do you have anything? Or we can wrap?
Nothing, Shivam.
Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your Sunday and just stay consistent. Thank you. We will meet soon. Bye.
Thank you
Thanks so
guys.
much.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you,
all.
Shivam. Thank you so much.
Thank you.